Hi everyone, my name's Chris from Media Chimps, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a short link. Now, when you want to post a link on social media platforms, normally it will auto-generate what's called a picture link. So I'm going to take this story about the tennis player Andy Murray, and I'm going to go to LinkedIn, and this is the Media Chimps LinkedIn profile page, which you can follow. And I'm going to paste in the story about Andy Murray, and it should in a moment, there you go, generate a picture link. So I'm going to put a caption, Andy Murray says this. I've not even spelled that correctly, so let's insert an A and let's take the link out. So that's a nice short tidy caption. It's got the picture link there, and I would then click post, and that would go out all neat and tidy. Now, not all links generate an intriguing picture like that, so I thought to myself, what's the most boring link I could find? And I thought something to do with government. So I went to the Australian government website and I found this section called Explore Visa Options. So here's a nice long ugly link. So let's copy that, and so I'm going to paste it in to a post on LinkedIn, and let's see what that auto generates in a moment. I'll just put a caption: visit Australia for an extended period. Now, I really wouldn't want to post this as it is right now. Look at what it's also generated. It's ugly, it's not aesthetically pleasing. I don't think anybody's going to be particularly intrigued to click on the link. So if I was going to post this, I'd then take out the link itself and just leave the caption and whatever it's also generated. But as I've just said, it's not aesthetically pleasing, to say the least. So my main rule of thumb when it comes to doing a good social media post is that you should always have a photo that represents exactly what the subject matter is. So I found this picture on Shutterstock. I don't think it could be any more Australian. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm going to copy the link again, and I'm going to go to bit.ly, which is probably the most commonly used short link website. Now, I'm going to put up a few of the other short link websites that should be on your screen right now. There they are. As you can see, there's quite a few to choose from, so just as an FYI, there are others, but bit.ly is the one that I decided to use for today's demonstration. So here we are on the bit.ly website now, and we're down at the bottom of the screen in the box that says shorten your link. I'm going to paste in the Australian government long ugly URL and click on shorten. So this is what it's generated for me. So I'm going to click on copy, and that'll put it on my clipboard. Now if I go back to LinkedIn, I can now, let's use a colon there, paste that in, and that's much more aesthetically pleasing, far less ugly. So you've got the caption, colon, and then the link which the caption pertains to, together with a nice aesthetically pleasing kangaroo image. So if I now post that, it's just so that we can see how it renders. There you go. To me, that is nice, neat and tidy. It's far more appealing than what was being auto-generated from the Australian government website previously. So that's how you do a short link. As I mentioned, there's plenty of other short link websites to choose from. bit.ly was just the one that we happened to use today.